Hey guys, welcome back to the Kalia show. Just in case you didn't know, I'm back with another video. So today, I know, what a shocker, my hair is blue and I'm loving it. It's like so pretty and so fabulous. Like, I'm loving it. Are you loving it? Everyone has been asking me for the past week, like, oh my god, you dyed your hair, like, no, I didn't dye my hair because I don't want to damage my own hair. It's already got enough heat damage as it is. My hair underneath this beautiful lace front is still dark brown. But I wanted to switch it up. As we know, I'm not like an expert in weaves or anything like that. But this is my first lace front. It's been exactly a week and 1 day now since I've gotten this installed. I got it done at Make Me Over Salon. Well, it's Ova, but I'm so proper. Over, Make Me Over, OVA. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description, and you guys can go follow the lady who actually installed and colored this. Cause first of all, this is bomb. Like, what? I know, it looks just like my hair. Literally looks like my hair, like it's growing out of Kalia's scalp. Like, how cool is that, right? But anyway, her name is Sherell. This is talent. Because if I even were to attempt to do anything like this to myself, honey, let me tell you, I would probably be walking around looking crazy. So that's why, you know, we leave it to the experts like Sherell at Make Me Over Salon, and she will hook you up. Like, I am so impressed. When she first told me that she wanted to like try something different on me, you know, do blue, I was like, Kalia, blue? What do I look like? I'm like one of the most conservative girls like that you'll meet, and the most that I've ever done to my hair was burgundy, like this color. That was like back in the day, but blue, like that's different, like, but it's so cute. And I don't know, like I just feel like a whole different person. When she was finished, I was like, oh, see, some days I have my off days, but then other days I'm like, okay, I'm a baddie. Like, I be forgetting who I am sometimes. But with this blue hair, oh, I'm baddie every day. Like, you can't tell me nothing. I must say, I have been getting a lot of stares. Like, everywhere I go, everybody's like, I'm like, hey, what's up? It's so soft. Like, I know, like, if you go to like the beauty salon store or whatever, the beauty salon store, the beauty supply store, and you like maybe buy a wig or whatever, the texture of their hair can get hard after a while or like smell weird. But like, this is so soft, like super duper soft, and I love it. It was actually curled when she first put it in, as you can see here, but I straightened it because I felt like, oh, now I didn't come to play. I just want y'all to enjoy this clip and watch how I transform.
I don't ever care about this. You talk too much about me. You make things up about me. Never would've came up without me, bro. People need love. Yeah, I don't really care about this. And I don't ever waste a minute. You talk too much about me. You make things up about me. Yeah, why you wanna make things up? Why you wanna waste my time? Girl, we used to be in love, now I don't really care about you no more. If it used to be perfect, now it ain't working. Now a nigga swerving, oh. Drop top coast, girl, you used to be my boo. Now you telling lies on me. Shawty, this is out of you. Yeah, drop top coast. Girl, you used to ride with me. Girl, you used to slide with me. Now you telling lies on me. I don't really care about this. And I don't ever waste a minute. You talk too much about me. You make things up about me. You talk too much about me. You make things up about me. Never
watching this, please go over to her Instagram, follow her, look at all the different looks and styles that she has. A couple of my friends have got installs also, and let's just say they're looking like baddies too. If you are going to make a purchase, use my discount code. It's Kalia. It's my name, just Kalia, Kalia. So it's definitely worth it. Like, this is so cool. I don't have to touch my own hair. Like, I don't have to wake up in the morning and worry about what's going on underneath this. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like, comment down below your thoughts on my blue hair, and let me know what color I should get next, because like I think this lace front life is about to be for me. Thanks so much for watching.